How to redeem your Amazon gift card for cash. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem your Amazon gift card for your cash and to add as a balance to your Amazon account. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem your Amazon gift card for cash, now you have to enter the code on your gift card on the Amazon app or either on Amazon website. In this case, I'm simply using the app, and once you open the app, tap on the little profile button from the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the profile button and come to this page, tap on the option that says your account, and as soon as you tap on your account, you'll see all the sorts of various options. Here, if you look under the payment section, you'll be able to find the option that says manage gift card balance. As you can see, just tap on manage gift card balance over here. As you do so, you'll be taken to a page where you can go ahead and enter your gift card balance. So currently you can see my gift card balance is $0.00 because I have not entered any type of redeem code. So I'll just go ahead and tap on redeem another gift card button over here, and once you enter the redeem code, just tap on the apply to your balance. When you apply to your balance, you would have successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card for cash, and now you can shop on Amazon using the specific cash as well. That's all it takes to redeem your Amazon gift card for cash. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.